Hi, Dava Behrens here. It is Wednesday, April 15th, 2020, around 7 p.m. I wanted to give you an update about the Albany housing market, just some WVMLS, that's Willamette Valley Multiple Listing Service information as of the end of March. So as of the end of March, there were 1,058 homes sold in the rolling 12 months before that. That's lower than the previous 12 months, so we're down about 5.3 on number of units sold. The sales price has gone up, however. It's gone up about 7.8%, which is a substantial jump, to an average sales price of $331,408. The number of days on the market is down to 80, and that includes the escrow period. So that's down 8 days. The volume of homes available for sale is up 26.79% at 142. 142 houses on a market of that size is really not that big. I also, because of COVID, am watching what's happening currently pretty close. And so I ran the last 2 weeks of new listings, and I have that information as well. So in Albany, there was a total of 43 new listings that came on the market. Of those, 22 are actually active, 12 are in preview status, 8 are under contract or pending, and 1 sold and closed. And that one was a new build. It probably just didn't get put into MLS until it was done because it has no marketing time at all. So that's the status of the Albany housing market, and I thought you might be interested. If you want more information or you want to talk about it, feel free to give me a call at 541-740-3844 or visit my website.